The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. At Krasny Liman direction, the Russian troops successfully impeded the enemy's efforts to cross the Zhirobets River at night, close to the settlements of Novovodinoye in Lugansk People's Republic and Torskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. The Russian artillery's overwhelming barrage stopped and forced back the advancing Ukrainian armed forces troops. In total, 25 Ukrainian servicemen were killed, as well as 2 infantry combat vehicles and 2 pickup trucks. At Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, Russian troops foiled 2 offensive attempts of the Ukrainian Battalion Tactical Group close to Davidov Brod and Sukhoy Stavok in Kherson region. Attempts of up to 20 Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance formations to enter the rear regions at night were also foiled. The concentrated fire of Russian artillery and the active actions of Russian troops neutralized more than 120 Ukrainian servicemen, 6 armored fighting vehicles and 13 cars. In total, 324 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,302 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 5,939 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 874 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,513 field artillery cannons and mortars, 6,685 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.